This Mist HAF-CIN/EXP Water Filter 3-pack delivers noticeably cleaner, fresher-tasting water by effectively reducing chlorine, heavy metals, and common refrigerator contaminants while preserving helpful minerals. The cartridges are engineered for a precise twist-lock connection, so installation is quick, secure, and does not require any tools even for someone who is not very handy. Compatibility is a strong point, as these filters are designed to replace several popular Samsung and Kenmore refrigerator filter models, covering a wide range of side-by-side and French door units. Each filter offers long service life, providing up to roughly 6 months of use for an average household, while maintaining strong water flow and pressure from the dispenser and ice maker. Independent certification to respected filtration standards and the use of materials that are free of lead and bisphenol A make this a reassuring choice for families concerned about water safety. Buying the 3-pack is convenient for staying ahead on maintenance and makes it easier to enjoy filtered refrigerator water instead of relying on disposable bottled water.